people, my just kitchen. So guys, today I will be cooking Ofe Nsala. Agamete, ngete. Ngete Ofe Nsala tata. So stay with me. You will like this video, So that is it. This is my catfish. Ifabo azundum. Nkuta azundo kalaka kanjete Ofe Nsala. So I'm cooking this Ofe Nsala for my husband, brother, watching Emelo, because since obviously, why on just be italo Ofe Nsala. It can never without chili Ofe Nsala. So my husband went and bought catfish, So today I'll be cooking Nsala. Nsala ndi onija. Only also know Nsala ndi onija. So this is the catfish. So I'm now about to cut it. It's too big. This one is too big. Guys, this year's not like not thank ever. 2 hours, 3 hours, finish it. So that is it. So ban my cut here. I don't want it that too big. Well, choose on offer. But that's really shy, So that is it. So guys, how you are doing? I hope everybody is fine. So this is the second one. I'm now about to cut the second one. The second one is not that too big, sha. So that is it. I'm done cutting it. So guys, this is the way you can wash your fish, with hot water. This is hot water. So I will now pour hot water and add my salt. When I miss you because I miss you vida. So when I now added my salt, soak it. So I will leave it for some minutes, then I will now go on and wash it. So that is it. And here is my chicken. Ofe Nsala with chicken on a jacob of mona double of ma. I'm made the when Nigeria. So this is my spices. My okporoko, my dry fish, ogiliope, ozeza, So over here is my crayfish, Everything is given here. Get off it, te wapianya. What they going to the Ofe Nsala, but this one is special. So this is me on my gas. Then my chicken is cooking now. Lecha kwobele asiwan lecha mbo oganede wine. So here is my order na ndi otu ya. So sikam sutu you guys can so nya gbawasi anya before gbawasi anya we tinye we blend anya, So that is it. You kuna fumu as ezigbo wine and may use odo. I will have the big one. So this is my G ole. This is my yam for the tikka. We call it J ole. So you can see when waja about there na dem we do ole. So I'm adding my ole n'ime milianu yoda, so that it will sabakwa na ole G. So I will now turn it, check whether usabdi go fanya. Then this is me here bringing the ole out. The yam is done, so I have to pound it. So that is it. Continue watching. So this is me here pounding with my small odo. I have big odo. Bankada da never na so you can put down. Oh, we check off ma. We so call you off ma. No for ma. So this is me adding my catfish. My catfish I've already steamed. I have already steamed it. So my also my thighs, everything I just go near me. So you can me raise and I'm adding it inside the soup. Some tribe call Nsala soup white soup, but you call it Nsala. Ofe Nsala. So that is it. Then now I will now test. Then I will now add my ole, giole. Can easy. ewatago wee tụnyechazie ofu magi star ofu mkpụrụ so ntinyesizie ya awụna turn okwe ọzọkwa nwayọọ because the fish abanyego na ya, so you have to turn it with respect and so that the fish will not cut. Kazu yale ya wasi anyawa n'ofe. So that is it. So the soup is boiling now. On our suzy now. So fetching kuzie an ungrounded crayfish. So fetching kuzie crayfish in here. Also where utazi ofuma. Maka no to Ofe Nsala bukwa crayfish na azu na imo kuzi umu elema mana yada afuna elema eba. So that is it. Ofe Nsala is not Onitsha soup like that. It's Ogbaru soup. Umanoba na number Ogbaru Osamala na Aguleri, Umuleri side of Ofe Nsala. But I need to take one Nsala of my own bundi Onitsha. What a go. So that is it. You know, see if you know, my soup is ready. Ofe Nsala digo ready. What's a go? Hey, we are gonna so. What's a good? So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Love you and God bless you. Just Kitchen.